Alright folks, today I'm doing a hike in a wild camp with the Stripey Hut guy again. We're down at Glen Etive, which is so beautiful honestly. So there's a lot of clag in the mountains today, so we thought, oh, I'm not bored going up and doing a mountain, we'll go down to the beautiful Glen Etive. So just moving down here, I'm looking for a camp spot down here, see where we are, past this forest. So we can see down here. Fortunately we've come to a good spot here, but we can't camp here, so we're going to move on and see what else there is. Cracking wee spot as well, but hey, you've got to obey the rules. So we've been walking down further here from this area just to get, see if we can get a wee camp spot. We'll go along there, see what happens, so see how it goes. Hope we get one. So the best camp spot's over there, and we need to get there. We've got a bit of a river crossing here, but we're going to give it a go. I've got the sealskin socks on anyway, so I've got to change of clothes, so we'll see what happens. But I'm going to go across there, then up there and across. I left my poles in the car, so the Stripey Hat guy is going to go and pass them over to me. We'll walk across there and pass them to me, and then I'll use them to cross over there because it's flowing quite fast, so we'll see what happens. There we go! Well, that's us over the river, thank goodness, so we made it, so now we can look for a decent wee spot over here somewhere. Looks pretty cool, got a good view down the bookie there. Brilliant man. Buckle Etive Moor, the back of it there, so, and then deer beside it, so superb. I'm just going to camp about here. That's pretty cool, look at the views, pretty nice over there. And look at that, rain's coming on, so I better get the tent up quick. But what a cracking place this is, honestly. Look at the beautiful river behind me, superb. So time to get the tent up. That's me get the Mirage up now. I love this tent, does the job man. Bango Mirage, bomb proof. Had it up in the winter and everything, up the mountains. Just a bit heavy sometimes, we need to take it up in the winter. But cracker, love it. Oh, what a beautiful spot, honestly, amazing. Let's Stripey get his tent on over there. Wow. I bought some dry bags for everything, which is pretty good, so it's helped me a lot, because the last time I got absolutely soaked and went through my bag and it wasn't very good. So dry bags, way forward for Muchy Boy. Cheers. This is what I like about this Osprey I've got. The wee bag thing you get clips off, you get it. So you can have that move out about the tent as a wee bag with all your stuff in it, all your main things. So it's pretty good. Definitely a good bit I like of it, the old Osprey. Superb. There you go, Ben Starave. Loved that, been up that before. What a mountain that is, superb. So here, we go Stripey's tent again. There we go. And there's the bookie, and the wee bookie. Iconic more, Iconic.it. Brilliant. What a lovely place Glen Etive is, so it is, it's amazing. Cracking waterfall going up there as well, superb. What a cracking view out my tent, eh? Can't you beat that? Superb. Absolutely brilliant here, so it is. Just the autumn colours and everything's just so amazing. It's obviously going to be a long night in the tent, but I always see when it's like this, there's not a lot of wind, I obviously really get a good sleep, so that's one advantage, and I've got a couple of films to watch, so looking forward to that later on. But just now I'm going to still and just enjoy the beauty of the Scottish countryside. You can't beat it. Up in the Highlands, top notch. Definitely recommend it to MD. Go down to Glen Etive for a camp. We've gone a bit further out in Glen Etive. Not a lot of people park off the street in Glen Etive, but nah, we've just gone a wee bit further out. A wee bit of a walk, not too much, but right into the heart of Glen Etive. Can't beat it. It's just so beautiful and right on the river. Look at that. Love it. I love videoing it all because it's so good. To show you guys how good it is. It's brilliant. I've not put my sleeping system up yet. I've just put my thermarest up, got my stuff there at the side, got my cooking stuff, so I'll just leave it like that for a while. Just gonna enjoy myself here, enjoy these views, chilling out down by the river. Can't beat it. I'm trying to think of a song, but I can't. Down by the riverside, way beyond the blue. Anyway, this is superb. That's in there. Oh. Hey. Oh, I just love this neck of the woods, man. See, Scotland, it's so beautiful, honestly. Glen Coe, Glen Etive, up this neck of the woods, and my mall's away over there. It's just brilliant. I was there last week up at that buffet, over by the Blackwater Reservoir. Rotten day, but oh, it was amazing. Honestly, this is just, look at this over here. See in the distance, up there, just love that mist hanging on the mountain. You can't beat it, it's amazing. It's just, I feel so at home in that. I feel so at home, honestly. You just do this every day. You turn into a hermit and just live up the hills. Nah, I don't know about that. But it's brilliant. You can see that there's rain coming in from Star Ave there. Look at that. It's probably going to end up here, I would think, but okay ho, that's the way it goes. That's camping life. Never mind. Maybe not. Always the same, innit? When you go up the hills or get anywhere. It's jacket on, jacket off, jacket on, jacket off, innit? With the rain. As soon as I take my jacket off, what happens? The rain comes on. So I'm going to go into my tent for a bit, I think. Might as well. Since I'm stuck in the tent because of the rain, I think I'm just going to make some tea. Might as well. Get some tea to the new. Why not? Stewing potatoes, classic. Here we go. Thank you, Stevie O'Neill. Cheers, mate. Rain's off, hooray! that's 10 past 4. Sunset's happening pretty soon. Alright folks, that's me in the tent now, pitch black. What time is it? 5:34. That's what happens in autumn and winter in a tent. You're stuck in it for a while, so never mind, I've got loads of videos to watch and stuff.
Meters in height, and it's both spectacular, which is good, and hard, which might not be so good.
Alright folks, that's me just finished watching a couple of films there. Absolutely knackered now, so I'm going to jump in the sleeping bag and hopefully get a good sleep. So I'll catch you guys in the morning. See you later. Right folks, that's me just woken up. It's about 7 o'clock, so wide awake. I've had a long sleep, so gonna get up, tidy up a bit, get a wee coffee and that, and then muck about for a bit, and then break camp about 8:30. But I'll get back to yous. Alright folks, that's us packed up now and ready to go. It's a long night in the tent, but I had a good sleep. And watched a couple of videos, so it was good, nice and warm. That's the main thing. So that's us going to head off now. So I'll catch you on the trail. See you at the end of it. Right folks, that's us nearly back at the car now, so I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a great camp, I really enjoyed it, and if you want to make a comment or hit a like, that would be great. So I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers guys!